how better is better, Sir John? Well, the best results that I'm getting from my students made 1 million in 60 minutes, 1 million in 1 hour. Did it happen overnight? No. Did it come easy? No. But now it gets easier and easier because, for example, in my business, hindi po question is kung paano kikita ng pera eh. Ngayon, that's not a question for me. The only question is how much money I want to make. Pero yung pera, it's always there. I can like send an email, boom, I can make money. Did it happen overnight? Nope. Naging madali po ba? Nope. Especially on my side, wala po akong mentor. Wala pong coaching program. Wala pong masyadong gurus, no, especially sa Philippine market. Wala akong Pilipino kahit isang kausap. I have to stitch these things. Because that is one of the advantage of having a mentor, having a coaching program like this, is you shortcut. Sabihin nila walang shortcut to success. Yes, that is true. But if you get mentors, if you talk to someone who's been there, has done that, you will save a lot of time. You will also save a lot of money instead of you enrolling to another program, enrolling on another seminar, attending another this one, buying another book on this one. No, just like close everything, forget everything, just go through my materials right now. Wait, before you go, do not forget to click that red subscribe button below. Appreciate it. Thank you for watching.